Welcome to the Chic Show. Today I have some easy spring flower decor ideas for you. Today's playlist is hosted by Amanda at 6 Kids and a Glue Gun and Brenda at Rustic and Lace DIY. Be sure and check out their channels in the description box along with the playlist. This piece is from Dollar General. I got it on clearance for just pennies. I'm using this redesigned by Prima Transfer and this fusion paint encasement. I painted the inside of the frame, and you can still see some of those letters, but this transfer will cover those up. Once the transfer has been applied, I do rub over it with the transfer backing sheet so that I can burnish it into the wood. I'm going to remove that painter's tape and I'm going to apply a top coat using DIY's Big Top. I wanted to embellish that bottom right corner, so I'm using this peony from Dollar General as well as some of this silk frayed ribbon from Amazon. I'm not tying a bow, but I am tying a knot so that I can attach this to the back of the flower. I used hot glue to attach the ribbon to the back of the flower, and then I'm using hot glue to attach the flower to the frame. This piece is perfect for hanging, but it's also nice just to sit on a table. Let me know which you prefer for this floral spring DIY, hanging or as a sitting display. The next floral decor idea for spring, I'll be using this metal cup or container that I thrifted. Also using some of these magnetic letters from the Dollar Tree. For the last spring flower DIY decor idea, I'll be using one of these bunnies from Dollar Tree and also one of the Farm Life calendars from Dollar Tree. I'm using this bunny page right here that has all the flowers on it, and I'm going to be coating the bunny with Mod Podge and then placing the calendar page on top. I am going to give the Mod Podge time to dry, and then I'm going to use the iron-on method. I'm making sure that I can see the flowers on the ears and at the bottom of the bunny. Then I'm placing a Teflon sheet on top, and I'm just going to use my little iron and iron it to reactivate that glue. Now I'm going to go back with my scissors and cut off as much of the excess as I can. Now I'm going to do my best with my little finger sander and sand off the rest of the excess paper because it gives it a nice clean line. I did have to use my detail scissors in a couple of little places. Next, I'm using one of Dollar Tree's wire wreaths, and I'm using a garland that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm using some of this green twine to tie the garland onto the wreath form so that if I ever want to take it off, I can still do that and have a garland. I'm also using the same twine for the bunny. I'm going to tie a knot on the front of each ear, and that way I can just tie it to the wreath and I can change it out for the seasons. Once I get the twine through there, I will just turn it over and tie it in the back. For some extra embellishment, I chose to add some flowers to the top that match the flowers in the calendar page. I'd like to take a moment to invite you to subscribe to my channel and definitely hit that thumbs up button if you've seen anything today that you've enjoyed. Be sure and check out the playlist in the description box below along with our host channels. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.